iPhone X Plus has been leaked, and who can wait to get their hands on one of these sizable tech chappies? Hello and welcome back to I.O. I'm your host Rebecca Felgate, and today we're talking about the latest iPhone in the gang. Before we swipe right on into this video, I just want to remind all of the potatoes out there that you should hit that thumbs up button if you like our content. Also, if you want to connect with me and I.O. on our social media, then our social links are in the description box. See you there. So, what is going on with the new iPhone X Plus? I'll tell you. Are you guys wondering how big it's gonna be? There have been rumors around that it's gonna be absolutely giant, like one big giant phone. Sorry to burst your bubble from this leak anyway, it seems like it will actually be the same size as the iPhone 8 Plus. That being said, the screen's gonna be wider because of the lower bezels. So basically, they'll fill the same size in your pocket, but the iPhone X Plus will be all screen. It's screen's business. It's also reported that there will be no camera bump, which really doesn't bother me anyway, but cool. The X Plus is rumored to be unleashing horizontal Face ID. At the moment, the older model can only unlock vertically. The phone is rumored to be boasting more RAM and a larger battery life than its smaller sibling. It will also run iOS 12. The OLED display of the X Plus is set to be lighter and more shock resistant too. Official details of the new iPhone are expected to come in a press conference in September of this year. Now this is in line with Apple's tradition of unveiling a new phone every September. There are rumours circulating of the price too, with sources claiming that it will start at $999, slightly cheaper than at first anticipated, but still pretty pricey for a phone. Also, we're not sure, will there be an iPhone 9? As we know, we skipped from 8 to 10. Will there be an iPhone 11 unveiled? This we just don't yet know. So what phone do you guys use? I have the iPhone 8 and I like it. The camera's pretty good. I don't know how I feel about a plus size phone though. They're too chunky for me. Like, I really like a little something that I can just slip into my back pocket. An iPhone Plus is like, I don't know, like a really big man-sized palm. Usual iPhones kind of fit into my palm nicely, so I don't know how I feel about the Plus. They're too big. Okay, I'm rambling, but seriously though, other than being better for Netflixing, what's the benefit of having a Plus? Let me know in the comment section down below. Before I go, I just want to read a few comments from one of my videos last week. Now this was about the first ever meme, and boy was it dank. JR wrote, "This is the most important relic of the human history. Isn't it just?" Cobra wrote, "Rebecca looks ready to bake some cookies." Mate, I am always ready to bake some cookies. I'm actually mostly always ready to eat some cookies. Cookies. The Vegan Galzian says, "Why does Rebecca move like she's being tickled?" Well, Vegan Galzian, you can't actually see what's happening below my hips, so like, maybe I am being tickled by a tiny stream of leprechauns. Although I'm not, and things have got weird. Good! I'm your host Rebecca Felgate. Once again, if you want to connect with me on social media, my links are in the description box. If you like this video, make sure you give it a good thumbs up, share it with a friend, and stay subscribed for more daily news. Bye!